How to sign up for a new Swagbucks account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new account on Swagbucks. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is simply search for Swagbucks login and open up this URL where it says swagbucks.com. So on the right side of your screen, you have different options to continue. You can continue with your Google account, your Apple ID, or you can just continue with your email. But before you do any of that, you can just go ahead and check this box to agree to its terms and conditions. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply click on this login option to log into your account. But if you are new, then you'll just have to sign up for it. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. So click on the checkbox first and then click on continue with Google. And now once that is done, just select your Google account. And once you do that, you'll just have to tap on continue to agree to its terms and conditions to connect your account. And once you have done that, you should easily be able to create a new account on Swagbucks. So as you guys can see here, it is the welcome page. Now you have easily created a new account on Swagbucks. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.